Hey, life lifting champions! Today's topic is 5 seconds technique to stop procrastinating and become productive. So, hi, whoever is watching me for the first time, I'm Manali Cchakravarthy. I'm a life transformation coach and a natural healer, and I'm going to share with you the 5 seconds technique to stop procrastinating. It's a neuro-linguistic programming technique, NLP technique in short. And when you procrastinate, what you feel, how you feel hatred for yourself. You just hate yourself, you don't like yourself, and you feel guilty, you feel not productive, and all these feelings give you sadness, anxiety, stress, because we don't get stressed when we have too much work. We get stressed only when we are unable to accomplish what we want to do. So it is very important to get out of that procrastinating zone and start becoming productive. So in 5 seconds, how can you become productive? It is a very easy technique, and it helped me a lot to complete my book, to wake up early. The crow is okay. So this 5 seconds technique is like, you won't give your mind any time to give yourself any excuse to avoid that work. How we procrastinate? We avoid that work and end up doing something else, right? And to end up doing something else, you have to give your mind some time to think, what else I can do instead of doing this, which I am procrastinating for months. So you give your mind some time. You won't give your mind any time. You will just count 1 to 5 in reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, jump! Just start doing that job. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, jump. You won't give your mind any time to prepare, to start thinking of any other excuses. That's how 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 works. It works. It worked for me. It worked for my students. Please do this. Please become productive, and share with me in the comment section how productive you have been today. Okay, and subscribe to the channel. Share it with your friends who also complain about procrastinating, and click on the bell icon so that you can get the next notification of other topics. This is Manali signing off. See you. Bye.